Hello, Namaste ji. Welcome to Namaste Wonders, and मैं हूँ Karan. So I'm starting with a new vlog now.
This is the second episode, which is called Hope, from my series of Manali and Lahaul. Today we are visiting a beautiful place in Hampta Pass Trekk, which is Chika. And the reason why I'm calling this second episode as Hope is only because hope is just not a word, it's a feeling. It gives you motivation to do things which you're not willing to do or you need motivation with. And with this episode, as I'm calling it Hope, it's only because I was unsure about this trip, unsure about the plan what I made today to visit Sethan. Now, once I visited Sethan, I was unsure should I visit the part from where the trek starts from Hampta Pass. And I went for it. Once I reached there, I asked local and that how long it's gonna take. They said 2 hours to reach Chika. Then I was unsure should I visit this place, should I do this track alone or not. But I think hope was something which kept me going and got me here. And with this, I just want to tell you that I really hope that you do something great today. And with this, let's just start the episode second, that is Hope. If you're new here, please do like, subscribe and comment me know how the video was. And let's just start the video now. And I really hope you like it.
Hey guys, so quick update. I'm here at this location. This is super beautiful. I've never been here before. So Manali mein I think I've seen mountains, but ये कुछ अलग है यार. Like this part is really amazing. और मनाली का best part is इतना green है सब कुछ. Just look at this view guys. Look at this. What a view man, what a view. बैठ के इतना अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे, जैसे पता नहीं कहाँ आ गया मैं, कौन सी दुनिया है ये पता नहीं. सो टुक अ हॉल्ट. आई थिंक यहाँ से कुछ 5 से 10 मिनट दूर हमता का बेस पॉइंट है. व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल वाटरफॉल मैन. इजंट दैट. चलो चलते हैं फिर आगे. Okay guys, so my plan is to go Chika now. Chika कुछ ट्रैक है यहाँ से 1.5 किलोमीटर्स, कुछ 1.5 घंटे का ट्रैक है. सोलो जा रहा हूँ, so let's see how it's gonna be. बताया ट्रेल्स हैं, अगर नहीं समझ आया तो maybe I'll come back, but let's see till when I can go. Hoping it's gonna be crazy because this location is, whoa man, whoa. Look at the trail, look at the trail. Wow. So enjoy. I hope I come back. See you soon. track is smooth, trails are good. Hoping it's gonna be easy one. I found a spot though, so planning to take a break, rest. Let's see. I found a lot of groups to traveling, but I think when I'm coming back I'm not gonna find any. Still, it's the part of fun. So enjoy the views, guys. They are amazing, man, amazing. I am at 12,000 feet and a pretty quick track. So if you're planning to come Hampta, and even though you don't want to visit or do the complete track, you can come till here. Look at this beauty. So I'm going riverside. I'll stay there for 5, 10, 15 minutes maybe, and then I'm gonna head back because I'm solo, so route is not that hard, but again time is the thing. So let's head back after taking some videos here. Alright then guys, this is the end of the video, and I really hope you enjoy this video and all the efforts I've put in. If it's a yes, then please do like, comment and subscribe. And I want to say that Hope brought me here, making me complete this small track, which was a bundle of happiness to me. I bought these special memories just for you so that we all can enjoy. And I want to say thank you, because aap hain to hum hain. And please do support by sharing these videos with your friends and family to make it large, make it big. With this, I want to say don't lose hope easily. Make sure you guys give it a try, and I'm sure you're gonna reach there. That's all for today. Hope to catch you with a new video soon. With this, thank you. Have a good one, guys.